Hello there YouTube, TechSavagepro here. Welcome back to another video. I hope that your day has been going fantastic. And to kick it straight off, I'm just going to be explaining what this is. Now, honestly, as you can tell from the title, this is one of my most insane apps I've ever found. As some of you know, I'm part of App Discovery, so I found a lot of crazy, unique apps. But this one is by far the most insane. This app has actually been banned twice from the Apple App Store. Now, Google has permanently banned it. Like they put on a filter to where, like, if it has this name or something like that, it won't go through. Like, it can no longer be submitted. So, like, nobody that's a Google Play developer can actually upload this. This is how serious this is. And usually, Google has the worst possible apps on their Play Store. Like, there are some highly illegal apps on there, like hacking tools and things like that. So you know that it's bad. But the reason that this was banned is because people were using this app to make fake IDs and stuff like that, and like make movie tickets and a bunch of different things. I think that it's supposed to be like kind of a like gag, like prank gift, like ooh, I got my ID or something like that. Because why not? But it's actually crazy illegal and banned in very, very many countries. Of course, I'm going to try to leave the link. Now, as of now, whenever I'm making this, it is not banned. But Apple banned it already, and then I found it again. So I think that the developer of this actually re-uploaded it. But because they already banned it, I can't see it on my purchased list because of whatever reason. It's just insane. But let me explain what this can do. So these are some of the options that you have in this app. Now, the app's name is actually ID Card Generator, which makes it even worse because you would think that something like this would actually have like some kind of disguise. Sorry, can't talk again. But anyways, it has some crazy stuff on here. Like, that's why I think that it's mainly supposed to be used as like kind of just like a fun like little gag type thing. Of course there's an ad by Google, but anyways, what you can do is here is make a bunch of different stuff. So like your student ID, your police ID if you're into that, a movie ticket. These would actually be kind of cool like to use if they actually still used movie tickets like this. But nowhere around me uses that style of ticket anymore. Your inmate ID, I don't even know if those are actually real. Your generic ID, which I'm guessing is just your license. Your FBI ID. Employee badge. Credit card. And blueprint ID. So, some pretty unique things. I actually don't know what a blueprint ID is, but why not? I mean, it looks like you're an important person if you make one of these. So that's cool. So play around with this app. I am going to leave the link in the description below. But if it doesn't work, that doesn't mean that I lied or anything. It's just because it's already been banned. So, like I said, this is the type of videos that you need to have allow all notifications from this channel on. You have to have those on so you don't miss stuff like this, because I don't know how long it's gonna take Apple before they ban it again. But like I said, me personally, I think that the app got banned a third time. I'm not positive, but it definitely was on my purchase list one day, and then the next day it wasn't on my Apple ID anymore. So who knows? Get it while you can. And it should stay there forever, but I got it back, so it's okay. But unfortunately, it will no longer show up anymore, so hopefully you don't have that issue if you aren't like really entertained by this kind of thing. You want to make some fake IDs for your friend or whatever, and try and prank them or something like that. But it's all up to you. The limit is your imagination. Hopefully you did find this video useful or entertaining or some kind of purpose. That is why I make them. And go ahead and like or comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And please, like I've said, I can't stress this enough, hit the notification bell and turn it always on. If you don't know how to do that, I can't stress this enough either. Click it again after you've hit it for the first time, and then it should have like quotation marks around it. Hit it again and then click always on or always allow, something like that. But this is the end of the video. Hope that you have a fantastic day once again, and peace out. See you in the next video. Peace.